Welcome to day 5 of the Flow into Balance Challenge. Over the past days, we've been calming the nervous system, loosening the spine, opening the breath and learning how to move with more flow and ease. Today, we focus on inner power, the calm, grounded strength that supports your movement from the inside, especially the lower back, hips and core. In this session, we gently wake up the back of the body, strengthen the legs and spine without tension, and use the breath to create deep natural core support. This helps protect the lower back, improve posture and balance, and reduce the feeling of weakness or instability that often comes with stress and long hours of sitting. In Qigong, this area is linked to the kidneys, your deep energy reserve. When this system is awake, movement feels lighter, breathing becomes deeper, and the body feels safe and supported. Move slowly, breathe naturally, and let strength grow from the inside out. Let's begin day 5, Inner Power. Before we begin, these Qigong exercises come from the White Tiger Qigong Academy, blending traditional practice with modern science. More information is available in the description. Now stand tall, feet hip-width apart. Let your hands rest gently on your lower abdomen. Take a moment to arrive. Feel your posture and your breath. Let the feet root into the earth and the crown of the head soften toward the sky. Bring your attention down into your center. Breathe slowly and deeply. Stay here for a moment. Now let your arms hang beside the body, palms facing inward. As you inhale, awareness returns to your center. As you exhale, gently expand your attention into the palms of your hands and the soles of your feet. Center and 4 gates. Lower belly, hands and feet. No effort, just connection. Let's take a few more breaths. Now allow the body to gently shake, loose and easy. Let tension melt out of the muscles. A soft turning through the spine, one side, then the other. For a more detailed explanation of these exercises, check the link on top of the screen. Shake out the legs, relaxed, no force. Then come to stillness and let the shaking become a little faster. Now keep your hands forward as if holding a ball. No thinking, just feeling. As you inhale, the arms gently open, palms facing each other. As you exhale, they softly close again. Keep the movement smooth and relaxed. Imagine a spring between your palms, opening without force. As the arms close, feel a gentle resistance. Simply notice the energy and connection. The body extends as you open and softly compresses as the palms come together. Now step wider, about 2 hip widths. Hinge forward with a straight spine, arms hanging below the shoulders. Begin to move from the hips, the shoulders simply follow. Imagine rolling a ball between your palms, side to side, slow and steady. This exercise can be demanding on the lower back, so stay gentle and mindful. Now go to your right and keep rolling the ball. and back to center again. Now to your left, and remember to keep a straight spine and move from the hips. When ready, slowly return to standing, feet back to hip width. Bring your hands to the kidney area. Begin small smooth circles for the hips. The head stays quiet. The lower body moves freely. Change direction, easy and fluid. If you would like to build on this practice, you can explore the previous days by clicking the link above. Then allow the movement to fade and return awareness to the center. The following movements can be demanding on the lower back. Move slowly, listen to your body. If you feel pain or discomfort, stop and rest and consult a health professional. Stand hip width apart, hands float up to the chest, palms facing upward. Turn the palms outward and gently stretch toward the sky. Now hands forward, allowing the spine to soften. Hands holding opposite elbows. Relax completely. Slowly massage down the legs, up to the hips and waist, until the palms press into the kidney area. Gently engage the glutes and lean back, creating warmth and pressure. Knees slightly bent. Then return to standing. Now let the breath guide you. Inhale to the chest. Exhale, palms open. Inhale, stretch upward. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, stay. Exhale, massage upward. Inhale, gently lean back. Exhale, return to standing and repeat. This exercise creates space for the spine and supports the kidneys and lower back. Let's repeat a few more times. Let's do one more. You're doing great. Now step wide again. Bring your hands on top of the head, palms up, arms rounded. Now follow my movement. Rotate to your left and hinge forward with a long spine. Circle across and rise for the other side. As you lean back, gently engage the glutes. Knees soft. Exhale as you circle downward. Inhale as you rise and open. Start small, smooth and controlled. This movement strengthens the back, massages the organs and creates space for the chest and lungs. Keep the spine elongated throughout the movement and keep your arms slightly bent. Now change direction. Then gently return to standing and return your attention to your center, feeling your posture and your breathing. Now step into the horse stance, your left hand forward, the other resting below the navel, palms up. Rotate gently from side to side, coiling the left arm back as the body turns. Let the arms circle overhead, palms facing upward, then return to center. Change sides. The hips stay stable, the legs grounded. Exhale as you circle back. Inhale as the arm floats overhead. Exhale back to the beginning. Inhale, change the arm and continue. Begin small and only increase if it feels comfortable. Now as you move, the legs and back grow stronger, the organs are gently massaged and the shoulders begin to soften and open. Let's do a few more and stay connected. Then gently return to standing, letting everything come back to center. The body upright, the breath steady, the mind quiet. Now return to horse stance. Form a small ball in front of the chest, left hand on top, palms facing each other. The palms begin to separate. The left hand rises, the right sinks, gently separating heaven and earth. The spine softly rotates, the body lengthens and relaxes. Let your gaze rest on your left hand. Now extend the legs slightly and fold forward, looking into the left palm as the spine stretches. Then scoop the left hand beneath the right, returning to center and form the ball again. Gently compress, and then inhale to separate. Exhale to extend and rotate. Inhale to fold. Exhale to return and softly compress. No strain, no force. This movement strengthens the legs and restores natural rotation in the spine, allowing fluid to move freely and gently massage the organs from within. Let's continue for a few more repetitions. And remember, keep it smooth and relaxed without too much muscular tension. Now allow the movement to settle. Gently close the exercise and bringing your attention back to the center. Now come to stillness. Stand comfortably, posture aligned. Let the breath slow. Awareness returns to the lower belly. Energy settles, gathers, and rests in the center. Stay here for a moment. Well done, you just completed day 5. Today you built calm strength, support from the legs, softness in breath and stability in the lower back. If this practice helped you feel more grounded or supported, please like the video and subscribe. It really helps this channel grow. In day 6 we shift into stillness and motion, slow spiral movements, silk wheeling energy and flowing with calm awareness. Take this feeling with you. I'll see you in day 6.